Well, Sorrel here again. I had a few questions about once you've finished your structural dominance layout, your 5 pages, and we can look at the 5-page links here of all the work that's been put into it. The question was, how do you publish this and make this a PDF? I'll give you a real quick tutorial on that, and I'll show you. Here's the different pages. Here's the headline dominant one we've created. Here's the image dominant. Notice that this has a baseline shift. The baseline shift is when the two paragraphs that you look at it, that the lines, when you do columns next to each other, that they do line up, and that's a very important aspect. People like continuity in their reading, so you go from one paragraph to the other, that they line up. That's called baseline shift. Command 0 again out. I've put in the name of the designer, and each page has here listed. That's just real simple and I'll show you that. If you don't have it in yet, I'll just click that and delete. It's a headline. Come in here with your line, you draw it in, you just type in there headline dash image. So that's how that is handled. Make sure that everything's where you want it, and then very simply, your piece, you come up here to File, PDF Preset, High Quality, and as soon as you hit that, give it a name, call it, since this is Newman's project, Alfred, so you put your name underscore Dominance project. That's all you're going to need for the title on that. Or you can go back and go S20 for the semester would help. And it's going to go on the desktop, and you go Save, and you go Export. You don't need to do anything on this page at all except export. You go OK, and then it should show up on your desktop here, ready to go, as a PDF. And I'll zoom out on that. So when you get ready to print, this will print 8.5 by 11. Here's that 1-inch key line that we talked about. Each of the pages, as you scroll through, you can see how they're all laid out. You've got the tab allocations. Remember, we had to set our tabs. Again, the baseline shift, that all of the paragraphs, they line up. And notice that I'm laying these out. This is headline dominant. I have lots of figure-ground relationship, lots of room around this page. Same thing with the image dominant. The image is the largest thing on the page, but still lots of breathability. This is where headline image are fairly matched. Text dominant, this is where most people will overfill it. Lots of breathability. You can tell that this is the strongest thing on the page is the text. And then the last one is when all three are fairly equal in scope and size. And that is your document. That is the document that you will take, put on your thumb drive, and have printed in color on nice index stock. And or depending on how the semester goes, we will probably do those electronically. More details to come, and look forward to chatting. Thank you.